Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we got a different video. I've actually never done anything like this on my channel, but I was walking through Target today because they were throwing out all of their Christmas stuff. I decided to pick up my Starbucks, of course, because they had creme brulee, so of course your girl had to go pick it up. But I was walking through the beauty aisle and they already started throwing up like all their little gifts under $10, gifts under $5, gifts under $20, and I was like, I need to do a video with all these gift sets because there's some really bomb gift sets. But I had to pick up my kids' advent calendars, and I saw that Target had their 12 Days of Beauty, which is considered their like advent calendar, I think. It was on one of those like half oval shaped end caps with, you know, during like the Christmas time, they might put loofahs and then all the kits kind of surround it. And this was actually one of them, and it was the last one. So I was like, is it that good of a deal? And you know, like every so often, Target will throw out their beauty boxes. So I was waiting for something like that, but I figured that we could unbox it together. It does say that it's valued over $65. I paid, I think it was $20 was how much my box was. And then if you have like a Target Red card, you could get a little bit of a discount on it. So here are the 12 days. Let's start with box number 1. Kind of hard to do this. Ooh, what is this? So day number 1 is the AHC Essential Real Eye Cream for Face. I've actually never heard of this brand, but I'm totally into trying brands from the drugstore. It can be used on the whole face or for a youthful appearance for the skin. Concentrated eye cream for the whole face. I seriously can't get over that. I don't know why. 2, let's see what day 2 is. Ooh, I see gloss. What is that? So day 2 is the Soap & Glory Sexy Mother Pucker Lip Gloss. And this is in the shade Candy Queen. I like the title of this. Let's put some right in the center, actually. Ooh, that actually reflects really nicely. Do you see that? Wow. So day number 3 is this one. Design Essentials, a natural almond and avocado detangling leave-in conditioner for all curl types. That smells incredible. So this one has jojoba oil. These are actually 2 brands I haven't heard of or ever seen at Target. So I'm actually excited about it because it's actually brands that I can, you know, learn about. But I'm excited about this gloss still. Day 4, right here. Ooh, super excited that there's like hair products in this. This is called Hair Food Coconut Dry Shampoo. This is sulfate, paraben, and dye free. All right, I actually just washed my hair this morning, so it smells good though. Ooh, it smells really good. I think I've actually heard of the brand Hair Food though. So now we're back into day 5, which is right above this day number. Was this day 2? Oh man, this one hurt my finger a little bit. All right, so we got day 5. All right, so day 5 is the Milani Highly Rated. What is this? Milani Highly Rated. I don't know. Ooh, it's a mascara. Day 6. Oh, this is a native body wash. They have, I think, deodorant. Eva and I think we got, yes, I want to say I picked up Eva a native deodorant. This is sulfate free and paraben free, and this is coconut and vanilla. I don't like the smell of that. Although, again, I only have one nostril working today. I filmed another video, and I had to smell things, and it wasn't working well for me, but from just this nostril, it doesn't smell good. I'm interested to try this out because my husband and my son both can only use limited number of body washes. Their skin is very sensitive, and if this is like made of like simple and like light ingredients, this would be something I'd be definitely willing to give it a shot and see, and if so, I'd buy like the full-size version. Number 7. Ooh, another native product. It's a native deodorant. Oh my gosh, that's the smallest, littlest deodorant, but it's so freaking cute. I definitely plan to put this in my purse so that way I can have it with me at all times. But this is actually, this is definitely the brand that I picked up for Eva. So if I don't hold on to it, I know she'll definitely take it from me. Moving into day number 8. Ooh, Pixie toner. This is the Pixie Glow Tonic here, but I love the Glow Tonic. They also make the Rose Tonic, which is really good, but I still prefer the Glow Tonic. It's exfoliating toner with 5% glycolic acid. It's currently what I have in my shower, not my shower, but in my skincare drawer right now that I'm using. So day number 9, which is the biggest day of all. Day number 9 is a Plumping Gold Peel Off Mask. This is enriched with natural ingredients. I love this. I love that it's not a sheet mask. It's actually a mask that you apply. You guys know how I feel about masks. I prefer masks versus sheet masks. Day number 10. Pantene Cheat Day Dry Shampoo Foam. So I actually haven't tried this one from the brand. I like the packaging on this. It's got little kisses all over it. And this is a 60-second cleansing wash with no residue. So another dry shampoo. Can't be mad about that. That was day 10. Got day 11 here. Ooh. Wait, what's the difference? This is another one. So this is the Pantene Pro V Misbehaving Dry Conditioner Mist. Okay, I get it now. All right, so they kind of go hand in hand. So you would use this first, then you would use this like on the halfway of your hair and go down. All right, I'm gonna give it a shot. I don't really use a whole lot of Pantene Pro V products. The last one I used like stripped my hair and ruined it, but I am willing to give it a shot though. But I haven't tried styling products from Pantene Pro V, so we'll give that a shot. Day of the 12 Days of Beauty are some sample packs. This is by Finland. It's Lumine Velo Moisturizer. So these are little samples right here that you got. Which, honestly, I probably could have just picked this up at my local Target when they are giving out samples already. That is everything from the 12 Days of Beauty. Definitely will say that this box is definitely geared towards people who want an array of products. Not if you're just wanting, like, makeup by itself. Like, definitely don't get this box because there was only 2 makeup products, the mascara and the gloss. But if you are strictly like somebody that wants to try a bunch of different drugstore items, this might be something to give a try out too. I did look at some of the reviews online after I purchased this. Like I came home and I like looked at it and it didn't get very many great stars, but honestly, I'm not like disappointed with it. I was a little bit nervous when I went into this video because I was like, great, it's probably gonna suck. But I'm not too mad about it. I think the most exciting things for me is gotta be this AHC Essential Eye Cream. Like I'm excited to see what that's like, but also the native products. I've really wanted to get more into this native line. Like I've seen some of the native stuff at Target, and after getting Eva her deodorant, she really likes it. So I'm glad that there are more products like that that are in the box. I also really am excited about the hair products. So if you want to try a little bit of everything, I mean, 20 bucks is not that bad for these products, but I mean, I guess it depends on what it is that you are looking for in a beauty box. So I honestly was looking around Target, you guys, because I was like, what if they had like a household cleaner, like 12 Days of Target brand? Do you know what I mean? Like, I don't know why, but I was like, that would be the best. Like it had Myers, or it had like Lysol, and it had candles, and I don't know what I was thinking, but I was like, a household 12 days of like products would be awesome. So let me know down below what you guys thought of this advent calendar, if you guys picked one up or if you even saw it. I don't know if Walmart has one yet. I'm gonna have to go check out and see if my local Walmart has came out with theirs. But if there is an advent calendar that you guys are looking into or you've seen and you're wondering like what's it like, or maybe just let me know down below if you've seen one and you're just like, try this one out, Steph. Let me know. I hope you guys liked this video. It's a little bit different, but I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure to hit that subscribe button before you guys head out. Thank you so much for your love and your constant support that you guys give me all the time in my videos, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.